one right after the other. It's that time. Look over here. This is the area over here where the sun goes down. Some pink streaks over here too. Looky there too, side by side. Well, actually more than that. Let me come over here. See that? 3. Right there. Now if that was a regular plane, that wouldn't be there. It dissipates right as soon as the plane goes by. It doesn't leave big thick plumes like this. Actually has a little green tinge in some of this. Well, getting it pretty good, y'all. Ooh, look at that nice color, huh? I don't know what that is. So everyone, there's the buddy dog. Doing somewhat better. Still has a few issues, but doing better. Yeah. I don't know if you can see, but you can see the sky, the clouds. Been a real nasty day out, like all day long. Rained on and off. I don't know. I took me a nap. I know I haven't uploaded a video in a while, and I do see some fairly normal light blue sky in the background. A little bit lighter than what they used to be, but that's still looks pretty just to see a little bit of blue. Anyway, so Buddy's doing better. He's not tried to attack me in a little while now. Yeah, but he has been sick. He vomited one time, and he's had diarrhea. I've had to cut down his food intake, and could have been the lamb and brown rice I switched him to, because it was out of chicken. Still went back and they were still out of chicken. So I had to get turkey and venison. But I'm feeding him a limited amount until he, gets better. I re-dewormed him just to make sure that weren't it. The vet said he didn't have any, but, it's been a month, so I redid it. Alright, well, I'll, chat later. Hey, YouTube. So it's a nice day out today. A little cloudy, but it's really pretty warm. And, they just did the road, but it rained yesterday after they did it, so we have some puddles out there in certain spots, and I don't know, but it's really nice out today. There's my RV. My other camper next to it. My white truck. And, but yeah, pretty nice out today. Let's show you the sky a little bit. See, there is some clouds, but it's just warm as it could be. Let's see. Yeah, like I said, some clouds, but it's just a nice day. I was down here by that green bathhouse a minute ago, and there was tons of bumblebees. Well, that's a good sign. So, anyway, I got Zeusy dog. Getting ready. Well, let me try and get him over here because he hasn't used the bathroom yet. He's having some trouble with his paws walking. I don't know what's going on with that. But, yeah. So, it's pretty nice. Alright then. My dinner. We got some French style green beans, mashed potatoes, homemade gravy, and pork chop. Yum. That's what I'm eating tonight, y'all. Hey, YouTube. This is my antipasta salad. It's got tomato, cucumber, black olives, chopped up ham, pepperoni, cheddar cheese, mozzarella, grated cheese, balsamic Italian vinegar, dressing, and it is yummy. You can't get a salad this good at the Olive Garden.